If you're getting ready to film some TikToks here in the near future, wait, hold up, because I have 3 mistakes that I see creators make all the time that I don't want you to make on your next TikTok. Before diving into the video, I want to clarify that if you are a casual creator, you enjoy posting on the app for fun, if you grow, then great, but you're just kind of posting random videos, that is totally awesome, but this video is not for you. But if you are a creator who is intentionally looking to grow their profile on TikTok, then just keep watching. Mistake number 1, skipping out on the planning/research. Mistake number 1, skipping out on the planning/research. Since I'm talking to intentional creators here, we have to take that and be intentional with the way we approach the app. Think about it this way. The more time that you take to prepare, the faster your filming and editing will go. And then on the opposite side, the less time you take to prepare, the longer your filming or editing could go. Block out some time every single week to do research on the style and type of content that you want to create, discovering who your audience is, and grabbing those audios and hashtags that you can use in your own content. There are several resources and systems that you can use to make this research easier for yourself, so don't be afraid to try some things out and find what works best for you. The way that I approach this is I have a designated day to plan my content, and that day is typically Thursdays. On Thursdays, I will go set a timer and hop onto TikTok to do research, and during that time, I'll save videos or audios that I want to use in my own content. I'll write out caption ideas and even brainstorm ideas of what I want to use for text on the screen. And then I have a day to do all of my filming and editing, which for me is Mondays, and because I've taken care of all of that preparation beforehand, I can usually batch create and edit up to 10 TikToks within a 2-hour period and then post that content throughout the week. So essentially, it's only taking me about 3 hours to plan, film, and edit all of my TikToks for the week. Obviously, this is going to come down to the type of content that you're creating, how often you're posting, and how much preparation you want to put in beforehand before filming and editing your content. My system is not the only way to do things, but I thought sharing it would be helpful and give you some insight onto how I approach my content as you start to develop your own strategy for your own content. Mistake number 2, not using text or captions in your videos. Text on the screen is one of the fastest and easiest ways to grab someone's attention in the first 1 to 3 seconds of your video. And it's also a great strategy that can assist in encouraging your viewers to stay till the end of the video, increasing your watch time, which is the goal. You can place text blocks on the screen displaying the hook or topic of your video. You can also use captions, which TikTok easily generates for you within the app if you have a talking style video. You can also use text to emphasize certain points or ideas. It's something that is so simple, yet makes such a big difference, especially in short form content. So make sure in your next TikTok, you add text or captions where it's applicable, so your viewers have something to read and watch as well. Mistake number 3, ignoring the analytics. I don't know about you guys, but when I hear analytics, I think numbers, and I am not a numbers gal. But if the minute we post a video and we're already moving on and focusing on the next video, we're missing so many opportunities for growth. 2 major benefits that come from familiarizing ourselves with our analytics and checking them on a weekly basis is 1, it helps us easily analyze our existing content. The analytics will tell us which videos are performing well and why. This helps us identify patterns and themes that we can use to create future content. And 2, efficiently measure results. By measuring the performance of your new content compared to your existing content, analytics give us really easy access to metrics like likes, shares, comments, and we can gauge the effectiveness of new approaches or adjustments to our videos. Don't let the numbers scare you. They actually help us out a lot. If you were ever curious about how you film a TikTok with multiple characters without changing a dozen times, then make sure to check out this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.